Here is how to put images side by side in Notion. To do this, first what we will do is we will select two bars. The first one I'm going to color it orange, and after pressing enter, another one appears, and this one I'm going to change to a blue color background. Now what you do is you select any one of these bars. I'm going to select the top one, click on the 6 dots and drag till you see the blue line on the side of the blue bar. Once that happens, release it and you get the two bars now, the orange bar and the blue bar side by side. Next, with a / and images, I can select an image. I'm going to go to Unsplash and just select an image which comes in directly from there, and below it I'm going to again with a / and the word image select another image from Unsplash. Let's go for the mountains. You can also upload from your device or any other option that you have. Now, since I want the images side by side, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click and drag the first image so that the blue line now fits exactly under the orange bar. Can you see that, the blue line? And when I release it, my image is now fitting within the orange bar width. Similarly, for the second picture, I'm going to drag it till the blue line is under the blue bar now, and I'm going to release it so both my images are side by side. Of course, once you've done that, you can delete the bar itself because you don't want that to be seen, but the images remain side by side.